Sir. So no, ask me, sir. You just text me or I will text you. Yeah. You want some water or something? The restroom is sir. If you want to use.
Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Tried any numericals yesterday? How to calculate the mean deviation of particular given data? Any numericals tried, students?
Sir, did from exercise, sir.
Yeah. No, exercise only. First, we will go through the exercise. Because next year statistics is completely different. They will focus more on probability. Statistics, this is the end almost. If you want to choose separately MSc statistics or BSc statistics in future, then you are going to learn. Or if you join in engineering. Yeah. So we start some numericals.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will give one question. Meanwhile, start that question to solve. Calculate the mean deviation about median for the following data. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 6, 7, 15, 16, 4, 2. Please complete this question. Anyone got the answer? Students, anyone got the answer? Guys, you able to hear what I'm asking?
2 minutes.
Yeah, please. So what is the first step to calculate the median? You have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Anyone can give the cumulative frequency values? Anyone
Sir,
can
it's mentioned in the question that you have to find mean deviation, not median deviation.
mean deviation about median. You have to calculate
Fine,
with
sir.
respect to median. So he is asking mean deviation about median. This is different if I am comparing with about mean. So you have to calculate mean and calculate the deviation of each value with respect to mean. Here you are going to calculate median, and with respect to median, what is the deviation of each value? That average you are going to calculate. So here our job is you have to calculate the median. We are having step deviation method and different methods are there. So whatever method you use, you need to calculate the finally median here. So clearly he mentioned, he is not mentioned, then you can calculate with respect to anything. So cumulative frequency is, suppose if anybody calculated with respect to mean, don't worry. Just compare the value with respect to median, how much it is coming. Cumulative frequency is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 15 is 28.
28, 44, 48 and 50, sir.
44, 48 and
50,
60 or 50, madam?
50, 50.
50. That means this whole sum is 50. The number of observations are 50. Next, midpoints, that is xi. 5, 15, 25,
25, 35,
35,
45 and
45
55.
and 55. And here, from here you are going to calculate the median. How you are going to calculate the median, students? How you are going to calculate the median? One is 50 means even number, total number of observations is 50. So 25th plus 26th one. So everything came here only. This is 25th plus 26th observation. This is one way of calculating the median. There is another way of calculating the median. So, but here I'm calculating, just I'm calculating the, how I'm calculating? Students, Total number of observation is 50. So median will be equal to 25th observation plus 26th observation divided by 2. So when I'm taking 25th observation and 26th observation, what is your value? What is your value? Please guys, what is your value if I'm taking the 25th observation plus 26th observation? It is 25, but it is frequency distributed table. In this case, how we are going to calculate the median? What is the formula for calculation of the median here? It is not exact median. You will get a little bit wrong here. So it might be you will get the value is 25. The 25 is the median. 25 is the median. But in this case, if it is in case of frequency distribution table, how we are going to calculate the median? Students, please. How we are
You
going
can
to
use the
calculate
formula,
the median?
sir.
What is the
N by 2
formula?
minus here.
Yeah, median in this case to get the very accurate central tendency L plus N by 2 minus C divided by F into H. Anyone can able to recollect this formula for frequency distribution table, how to calculate the median? See here the deal is basic 10th standard numericals, how to calculate the median using the different methods. What is L here? What is L here? So total number of observation is 50, 50 by 2 is 25, 25th observation is actual median, which is coming 20 to 30 class interval. Am I right? 20 to 30 class interval. So your L is what? In this case?
20.
L is equal to 20. That's the reason I am rounding off this one. L is equal to 20. How to locate the L value? 50 by 2, it is coming 25. 25 is referred to which class? It is in between 20 and 30. So your L is lower class of the class interval of N by 2. Wherever 25th is coming, the lower class of that particular class interval. So 20 to 30, 25 is coming, 20 is the L value. So what is the N by 2 value? N by 2 is equal to 25. And what about C here? What is the meaning of C here? What is the meaning of C here? F is no. Corresponding frequency. F is equal to how much here? Frequency of that class interval is 15. What is the C value?
The preceding value, 13.
Its preceding value, 13. What is the H value?
10.
10.
10. What is the H value?
The
Range of the
class
class interval range, 10. Substitute all the values and let me know what is the median you are getting. 20 plus 25 minus 13 divided by 15 into 10. So how much you will get? 20 plus 25 minus 13 is how much? 7 plus 5, 12 by 15 into 10. 5 3s, 5 2s, 3 4s. So I'm getting the median is 28. If I'm taking the straight away, the median is coming. How much? How much median? What is your median you will get? If I'm taking straight away. If I'm taking straight away, you will get the 25. But actually, if I'm calculating like this, I'm getting the median is 28. So with the help of this one, so this is your median. So once we got the median, then it is easy to solve. So each and every observation deviation you have to calculate. So that is xi minus m value, absolute deviation of this thing. 28 minus 5 is 23, 13, and it is 25 minus 28 is 3, 25 minus 35 is 7, 28 minus 45, 25 to 45, 20, 17, 25 minus 55. 28 minus 55 is 27. So average of all the things, 23 is repeated 6 times. So you have to multiply 23 with 6. So that is a per particular observation, how many times it is repeated. So the deviation into the frequency. So it will use 138, 91, 45, 112, 17 into 4, 68, 27 into 2, 54. Here the summation is 508. This is the value which is equal to sigma fi modulus of xi minus median. So finally the deviation will be equal to mean deviation about mean will be equal to 1 by n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi modulus of xi minus m. So the once you got the median, it is going back to your old procedure only. Only the thing is calculation of the median is your skill. Which method you are calculating doesn't bother. In 10th standard only they will ask you to calculate in particular method. Here it is your wish. So 1 by 50 into 508, which is giving 10 points steam. Is it clear, guys? See, for our level, they never mentioned you have to calculate the median in this method, but which is the best method to solve the median, that is in your hands. That purely depends upon your hands. So here no one will ask you. In 10th standard, that is gone. Different methods, graphical method is there. Calculation of the mean, we are having the step deviation method is there. To reduce the calculations, to reduce the TDS calculations, we will use the step deviation method. Am I right? Will you able to remember anyone's step deviation method? Yeah, one question we will do using the step deviation method, but again and again I am saying in exam, as per my knowledge, they never asked you to calculate the mean and median. They will ask you to calculate the deviation about the mean or median, and how to calculate the mean or median is in your hands. It's your wish. Is it clear? Yeah, I'm scrolling up. Yes, please. So the red color values are, once I got the mean only, median only, I can able to do that red color columns. The black color values will show it is limited to, I mean, like it is up to your grade 10 level. With the help of the grade 10 level only, you're going to calculate median. Shall I go for one question based on mean? How to calculate the mean using the standard deviation, step deviation method, students? I can go one method, one question with the help of the step deviation method. Please let me know if you're done. I will move to the step deviation method. Yeah, please give your response once we completed. Done, students? Shall I go for one more question? Students, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is find the mean deviation about mean for following data, for the following data. The data is given like this. Marks uptime, that is class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency, number of students. Number of students. It is frequency. This is Fi. This is class interval. So frequency is 10 to 22 people. Next is 3. Next is 8. 30 to 40 is 8. 14, 8, 3 and 2. That is total number of students or observations is 40. If I'm adding all these things, I will get 40. 2, 3, 5, 13, 17, 27, 27 plus 3 is 30, 32, 8 is 40. Now, I am calculating the mean using step deviation method. I'm not doing directly because I'm getting a little bit huge values. To reduce the TDS calculation only I'm doing. Instead of multiplying and adding with big numbers, what I'm taking is I'm assuming some mean. With respect to mean, how much it is deviated, based on that I'm applying one formula. So here I'm calculating the midpoints of the interval. Midpoints, which is giving xi, that is 15. So my calculation I'm going to write in. For calculation of the mean, I'm doing with black color. Please identify. So 15, 20 plus 30, 50, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. These are the means. So usually what we will do, we will do Fi and Xy. Multiplication of these two values divided by 40 will use the mean. That's what usually we will do. But here what I'm doing is I'm assuming the mean. I am assuming the mean. I'm using the step deviation method. I'm assuming the mean. Which mean I can assume here? How we will choose a assumed mean here, students? Will you able to remember how you will choose a assumed mean here?
We can take it either as 35 or 45.
How? Why?
Sir, so that while subtracting, we'll get some values in positive and some values in negative.
Correct. You should
And
not
we
take
add up
too
to
low
this.
value, too big value. Whatever the thing you are taking, it should reduce the step deviation values. Suppose if I'm taking the assumed mean is some 25, when it comes to 75, the difference between 25 and 75 is huge. You have to take in between 15 to 75, which is nearer to all the values. So here I'm taking the my assumed mean is, I'm writing with mean calculation. So my assumed mean is A is 45. So if I'm taking my assumed mean is 45, what will happen? So I'm calculating the DI values. DI will be xi minus your assumed mean divided by class interval range. So what are the values you will get, please? Xi minus 45, 15 minus 45 by 10, 15 minus 45 by 10, 30 by 10. So this is minus 3. This is minus 2. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Now it is easy to calculate. Now I am calculating Fi di values. Instead of multiplying 15 into 2, I am just multiplying minus 3 into 2. So this will be minus 6, minus 6, minus 8, 0, and 8, 6, 6. So what you are getting here? If I'm adding all these things, I'm getting 0. From here, I'm calculating the mean. So if I'm using step deviation method, what is the formula for the mean? According to step deviation method, the mean of the given data is A plus sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi di divided by capital N into H. You know what are the respective values. So we got A is 45 plus 0 by N is 40 into H is class interval 10. So you got the mean is 45. So once you got the mean and rest of the procedure is common. So you have to calculate xi minus x dash and you have to calculate fi into xi minus x dash. This is as usual. So these two steps I am using with blue color because the blue color values are useful to calculate the mean deviation. So this will be xi minus mean and next column is fi modulus of xi minus mean. So first calculate the xi minus x, 45 minus 15, 30, 45 minus 25, 20, 45 minus 35, 10, 45 minus 45 is 0, 45 minus 55 is 10, 45 minus 65 is 20 and 30. So if I am multiplying with frequency, 30 into 2, 60, 20 into 3, 60, 10 into 8, 80, 14 into 0 is 0, 10 into 8 is 80, 60, 60. If I'm adding all these values, I'm getting 400. So from here, we are going to apply the standard mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean will be equal to 400 divided by, this is the value of sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi modulus of xi minus mean value. So each and every value deviation, how many times it is repeated. So sum of all the deviations and total number of observations. So 400 by 40, which is giving 10. 10 is the mean deviation about mean. That means each and every value minimum, roughly deviated with respect to mean about 10. Suppose if you take any observation, 15, 25, 35, sorry, observations are between 10 to 22 observations. So average is 15. So 15 mean is 45. So you are getting 30, but mean deviation with respect to each and every value, average of the mean deviation is 10. So the observations from 10 to 20, 20 to 30 are deviated very huge. You can able to observe what observations are completely deviated about its mean. Is it clear? Shall I go for some more exercise numericals? Yesterday, how many numericals we completed from the exercise point of view? Which numericals? Where we are, students? Yesterday, where we are? How many numericals we completed from the exercise? Students, please. Once you complete it, please let me know. I will move to the exercise numericals. Done, students? I can move to the exercise numericals.
Yes, sir.
Guys, yes or no? How many numericals we done, Raghav? Yesterday? 4 or 3?
Sir, could you once show the question, sir?
Which one?
Sir, I guess I completed 4 numericals, sir.
Yeah, we'll start from 5th one. I can go? Or anybody
Yes,
wants
sir.
to copy anything? Yes. You feel the, if you see the exercise numericals, we will get one clarity how they will ask. It's very simple. They never mention you have to calculate the mean or median only with particular method, but they will ask you to calculate the mean deviation of the data. That's it. What method we are using, that's, yeah, 15.2. Sorry, guys. So we find the mean deviation about the mean, find the mean deviation about the median. So we will do fifth one and seventh one. If you are having any doubt in sixth one and eighth one, we can discuss in next class. I think this is it's not frequency distribution table. It's a group data. So you know how to calculate the group data? He's asking find the mean deviation about the mean. About the mean. So our aim is you have to calculate the mean of this group data. How to calculate the mean of this group data, students? How to calculate the mean of this group data? So it's very simple. They gave the frequency. You have to calculate Fi, Xi values to calculate. So it will be 5 into 7 is 35. 10 into 4 is 40, 15 into 60, 6 is 90, 20 into 3 is 60, 25 into 5 is 125. So from here, you have to calculate mean. So calculation of the mean is like this. The mean will be equal to sigma Fi Xi by N. What are the total number of readings? From here, N will be equal to how much? What is the N value, students?
So 25.
25. So what is your mean? How much you will get the mean? 35 plus 40, 75, 165, 225, 250, 350 is the sum of the Fi Xi value. Total number of values is 25. So 350 by 25. 25 ones, 25 4. Is the 14 is the mean?
Yes, sir.
So 14 is the mean. So my X bar is 14. Now, once you got the mean value, it's easy now. So you have to calculate absolute value of all the deviations with respect to mean. So 14 minus 7, 14 minus 4, 14 minus 7. Sorry, 14 minus 5 is 9. 14 minus 10, it is 4. 14 minus 15, it is 1. 14 minus 26, 14 minus 25 is 11. And sigma Fi Xi minus X bar, where I is equal to 1 to N. So you will get 9 into 7, 63. For 4, it is 4 into 4, 16. For 1, it is 1 into 6, 6. For 6, it is 6 into 3, 18. For 11, it is 55. So this sum is sigma I is equal to 1 to N Fi Xi minus X bar will be equal to 158. So mean deviation about mean will be equal to 158 divided by 25. So what is the answer? Hope you are clear. I think I didn't make anyone confused.
6.32.
6.32. Super. If you're okay, I will move to the next question. I can move to the next one. Students, I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm moving to question number 7. Question number 7, he is asking us to calculate the mean deviation about the median. So calculate the median and what is the each and every observation is deviated from the median. So for calculation of the median, what you have to do here? You have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Am I right? You have to calculate the cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency table here? Hamsini, can you give the cumulative frequency of these values, respected values?
Okay, sir. So first one is 8,
Hmm?
then 14,
Hmm?
16,
Yes.
18,
Hmm.
20, and 26, sir.
26. So from here I can calculate, I can say straight away n is equal to 26.
Yes, sir.
So based on the cumulative frequency, total number of observation is even. If total number of observation is even, what is the median? Median will be equal to 13th observation plus 14th observation by 2. What is the 13th observation? 13th, where it is coming, 13th observation and 14th observation. See here, it is coming here. Your 13 and 14 is here. What is the respective value at 13th observation and 14th observation? 7 plus 7 by 2, which is the median is 7. So I got the median is 7. With the help of this, we have to calculate absolute deviation of each and every observation with respect to median. So what I will get here? 8 minus 5. So these are the xi values. M value is came. Xi values are what? 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. So 5 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 12 minus 7 is 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. So calculate the values. Just 2 minutes. I'll give the time.
Twenty by 7.
What is the answer you got? Xi, Mi. What is the answer you got? After this, I have to calculate by xi minus m now.
Forgot, sir. 1 minute.
8 into 6, 2 is 16. 6 into anything into 0 is 0. And 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. These values. 2 into 5 is 10. 6 into 8 is 48. This sum is sigma I is equal to 1 to n
12, sir.
into xi minus m, which is giving how much? 48 plus 10, 58, 58 plus 6, 64, 68, 72, 82. Sorry, 82 or 84?
84.
10, 84. Now, so the mean deviation about mean will be equal to 84 by 26. Yeah. What is the answer?
$3.2.
Yeah, 3.2. Is 3.2 is the answer? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
0.23. Guys, from 11th standard onwards, try to find out the answer in 2 decimals. 3.23. Approximate value. I'm moving to the next question. The next question is also same, but they gave the class intervals here. They gave from 9 to 10. About the mean he is asking. Question in 11 and 12. About the median he is asking. So here also we will do one question and we will wind up the session. And next class we are going to do what is the limitations of the mean deviation and how you can overcome these limitations. What is the concept? Yeah. So we'll go through the question number 9. So to make it comfortable directly, I'm going to write here. So this says your class interval and this is your frequency. Yeah. So the given data is your class interval is income per day. Question number 9. Yeah. 0 to 100. Your frequency is 4. And 100 to 200. Frequency is 8. 200 to 300. 9. 300 to 400. 10. 400 to 500. 7. 500 to 600. 5. 600 to 700. 4. So what are the method you want? Sorry, 700 to 800 is also there, it seems. What is the value of 700 to 800? 3. So he is asking about the mean. About the mean, you can find out in any step deviation method or direct method. So I'm using the direct method. So this is my class interval. This is my Fi value. If I'm calculating sum of all the Fi values, I will get the n value, where my n is equal 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 29, 38, 46, and 50. So my n is 50. Recalculate again, please. You also try to calculate midpoints. That is xi value. So xi is how much? Midpoints of the class interval. So 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750. Now after this, for calculation of the mean, I need Fi xi value, or you can use the step deviation method. You can choose a value of 450 or 350, and you can subtract from everything assumed mean. That is one method. So here, because of the hundreds only, I'm taking directly 50 into 4 is 200, 150 into 8, 1200, 250 into 9, 2250, 350 into 10, 3500, 450 into 7, 3150, 550 into 2500, 250, 2750, 65 into 4 is 260, 240, 260, 2600, 375, 150, 225. So if I'm adding all these values, how much you are getting, students? Calculate and let me know what is the sigma Fi xy values, because your mean is be equal to sigma Fi xi divided by n. What are the value I'm getting here? That I have to keep here and I have to do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 4, 8, 10, 15, 16, 23, 50, 49, 1. How much you are getting, students? $17,900 is my value is right? Students, please check and let me know whether my addition is correct or wrong. Waiting for your reply, students, please. Guys, I'm waiting for your reply whether my sum is correct or not. If it is right, what is your mean value? Students, Harshida, Vaishnavi, Shreya. Anyone got the answer? What is the mean value?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the sum is correct, sir.
So if you 17,900 by 5.
$35.8.
No, 358. It is 17,000, man, not 1,700.
Yes, sir. Then the 350.
358. So once I got the mean, I have to do the values for mean deviation. So first I am calculating each and every observation deviation. That is xi minus x bar. 358 minus 50. 358 minus 150, like this. Sorry, xi minus x bar. Where is xi here? So 358 minus 50 is, this is 308. And 150, if I'm taking 208. If I'm taking out of 250, 108. This is 8. And 450 minus 358. This is 92. 550 minus 358. So is 192. 650 minus 350. 300. 292. 750 minus 350. 400. That is 390. After this, you have to calculate Fi xi minus x bar. 4 into 308, 1232, 1232. 208 into 8, 1600 plus 64, so 1664. 108 into 9, 900 plus 72, 972. 8 into 10, 80, it is easy. 92 into 7, 630 plus 14, 644. 192 into 5, 5 2s are 1000, 5 8s are 40. So 1000 minus 40 will give 960. 292 into 4. 300 into 4 is 1200. 1200 minus 32. That is 1168. Like this, you can do in normal calculations. 392 into 3. So 400 into 3 is 200. So 3 into 8 is 24. So 1200 and minus 24 is 1176. Now we can add all these things. Please let me know what is the summation of I is equal to 1 to n fi into all the deviations about mean here. Give the values of give the summation, students, please. Anyone got the sum? 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 20, 26. Lucini, can you calculate the sum and let me know what is the answer? Plus 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 7, 18, 6, 6. I got 7896 is the summation of all the deviation. The mean deviation about the mean will be equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar divided by sigma r. Directly number of observations, this is 7896 divided by number of observations is 50. So the mean deviation of all the values, how much you are getting? 157.92. You are multiplying by 2 and 2 and take the 2 decimal points. You will get the answer easily instead of crossing and cancelling with 5. 7,000, 1400, 80, 1600, 1500, or 7,900 into 2 minus 8. Calculation is in your hands. How you are doing that multiplication, additions in statistics, no one will ask you. You have to choose the easiest way with less errors. Not with less errors, 0 errors you have to choose. Hope you are clear what I am trying to say. If you are okay, I will move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear, everyone? So one more last question for this exercise. So the next question is explaining about calculation of the same mean deviation about its median. So we will do question number, find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. So I'm taking the 11th question, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. About the median he is asking. So I'm taking the 11th question. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and your FI frequency distribution 0 to 10, there are 6 students, there are 8 students here, there are 14 students here, 16 students here, and 4 students and 2 students. And I have to calculate cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency value is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 14 is 28, 28 plus 16 is 20, 30, 44, 48, 50. So your N is equal to 50. Once I got the cumulative frequencies, midpoints, which is giving Xi values 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and 55. It's very simple, average of the class interval. So our job is calculation of the median. So total number of observation is 50. So how to calculate the median? The median class is where is getting 25th observation. This is the 25th observation and 26th observation where your median class is 20 and 30. Median class is 20 to 30. So from here your L value is 20. N by 2 is 25. And C is 14. F is equal to 14. H is equal to 10. Calculate and let me know what is your answer. Please calculate, students.
$27.85.
The median is 27.85. So how you got the median?
I use
Which
the
formula you are
formula
using for median here?
L plus N by 2
L
minus
plus
C
N by 2 minus C by F into H.
H.
So if I am applying this formula, I will get the median is this much. Once you got the median, you have to start the calculations for mean deviation. So for mean deviation, you have to calculate the deviation with respect to each and every observation. My median is 27.85 and 6 observations are between 0 to 10 whose midpoint is 5. So the help of this, you have to calculate the deviation with respect to each and every observation. So calculate the Xi minus M values. Once I got the Xi minus M values, how many times will decides by frequency Fi into Xi minus M, and calculate the median with the help of these calculations. Students, anyone got the values?
Sir, could you do this one?
What is the xi minus median values, guys? Xi is 27.85.
85.
1 second, students. Just 1 second. So 27.85 minus 5, how much? 22.85 only now, plus 5 means 27. Minus 15, so 5 plus 7.85. So 12.85 this is. Here it is 25. 25 means 2.85. 35. So 10 minus 2.85. 10 minus 2.85 means 7.15. This is 45 minus 25 is 20. Again 20 minus 2.5, 8. Not 20, yeah, 17.15. 55. So just add 10 here, 27.15. Because here I got 7.5, the difference is 10, add 10 here, add 10 here. So after multiplying with frequency 6 into 22.85, 12 into 22.5. So this is 23 minus each difference is 15, 15, 15 here. Based on that, you can do the calculation. 6 into 23 minus 0.9. 6 into 13 minus 0.9 because 15, 6 is 9, 15, 8 is 1.2. Like that also you can calculate or direct multiplication. 6 into 22.5, I can write like this, 6 into 23 minus 6 into 0.15. This is one calculation. So how much you will get? 138 minus 0.9. So this is 137.1. This is also same thing. 8 into 13 minus 8 into 0.15. So you have to subtract 1.2 from 13 into 8. 13 into 8 is how much? 124. 104. 104 minus 1.2. 102.8. And this one 2.85 into 14. 2.85 into 14. 14 into 3 minus 14 into 0.15. How much you are getting? 52 minus 52 minus 2.1. No, not 52. 42 minus 2.1, which is giving 39.9. When it comes to here, it is easy. 7 into 16 plus 16 into 0.15. 7.5 into 16. 70, 42, 112. 112 plus 2.4 approximately. So 114.4, not approximately, accurate value. Same as 17.5 into 4. Same calculation. You can use any calculation which I am getting as here. 4 15s are 60, 0.6, 17 into 4, 68. 68.6 will come here. 27.15 into 2. This is 27 into 2 plus 0.15 into 2. So 27 into 2 plus 0.3. 54 plus 0.3, 54.3. Understand how I done the calculations here? So that is your wish. Each and every student having its his own way of doing the calculations. What is the answer? The summation is how much you are getting. So once you got the summation, dividing with the 50 will give the median. I will get 37, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 18, 18 plus 22, 22, 28, 31, 3 plus 4, 7, 15, 19, 28, 37. 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 15, 18, 21. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 5. I got 517.1 is the sum. So from here, the mean deviation about the median will be equal to 517.1 by 50. So multiply it by 2 and 2, take the 2 decimal points. How much your answer? What is your final answer? Anyone can give the final answer? 500,034.2. 1034.2. This is 1034.2 by 100. The answer is 10.342, which is rounding up to 10.34. Simple. So everything I am doing with the mind calculation only. Hope you understand what I done. Students, shall I wind up the session?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You will meet in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.